Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote desktop platform, which is Splashtop and GoTo Resolve. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms, you'll be able to decide which of these will be a better option for your business. So to get started, Splashtop in 2025 is ideal for fast, secure remote access with high quality audio, video streaming, and multi-monitor support. It's easy to set up and cost-effective, making it a solid choice for schools, IT support teams, and remote workers. Splashtop also offers a robust device compatibility, remote printing, and a strong encryption, though it's more focused on attended access to and screen control by IT management. So talking about GoTo Resolve, on the other hand, is built for IT teams needing a full control support capabilities, include features like ticketing automation, remote diagnostics, and integrated device management, all within a unified platform. It's more complex than a Splashtop, but gives IT department better control over the endpoint security, compliance, and a workflow. And here's a overall conclusion. So you can just go for Splashtop for a reliable, fast, and remote access with a simpler setup, or opt in for GoTo Resolve if you need a full features IT support suite with a built-in service desk, control tools, and advanced remote management. And that's it.